Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? Alright guys, I'm back on behalf of Easy One Up. You're here probably because you're looking for a way to make some money online and you landed on my page because this is an affiliate marketing channel. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer in which I show you how to refer others to other companies that sell products or services, and when you refer others and they join you with your link, you get a commission. Okay, that's affiliate marketing, and that's what I do. So that's why you're here, or you are already a subscriber of my channel. So go ahead and subscribe. If you're not, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, so when I upload new videos, you get my new videos. Okay, so Easy One Up is a program Peter Woofing created. I think it's about 2 years now. I've been in it about a year. It's actual digital education, guys. It teaches you how to market online, and it's actually courses, okay? Courses that you can learn on demand. You can access these courses from any smart device, whether it's your smartphone, your tablet, your PC. You just log in and voila, there's your courses. So you can earn as you learn, okay? So Easy One Up, I'm just going to show you real quick. This is the website you're going to receive as well. It plays this short video that resonates with people and kind of explain the business. But let me show you the courses that you're looking at. So here's the $25 course, and everything with the check mark is the courses. So everything is in video tutorial form. So it's going to audio, okay? So everything is step by step. So that's a $25 level. Here's the $100 level, and there's the courses you will receive. Here's the $250 level, and here's the courses you will receive. There's the $500 level, and remember, everything at the higher levels, you receive the lower levels automatically. So if you come at the $500 level, you'll receive all the other courses, as well as you're able to get paid on all the lower level commissions, okay? So the higher you come in, the better for you. Here's a $1,000 course and all the training. And here's a $2,000 course they added recently, okay? So, and there will be an admin fee with each of those courses. So when you get ready to check out, you will see that, all right? Okay, so those are the courses. I'm at the $1,000 level. That's what you'll get, guys. Now, so what I've been doing lately, I was introduced to a program called the Residual Income Code. Now, what's happening is I do have the Vertex lead system, guys, but it leads you straight into the $500 level and the $1,000 level. What I like about the Residual Income Code is free to join, okay? But you're going to purchase the first income stream. It's 6 income streams built into this funnel. It's pretty much a funnel. The $27, you'll pay it one time. There's no monthly fees with this, plus a $10 admin fee. The product you're going to receive is called Engagely for $27. And that product is going to teach you how to market on social media. It's also going to provide you with 100 ads so you'll know what to post, okay? Because that's one of the biggest things. People don't know what to post. So it's going to actually give you the verbiage that you're going to use to post on social media. Okay. So that's just one of the income streams. It's 6 built in here. Easy One Up is another one they have built in this funnel. So since I'm already with Easy One Up, all I had to do was plug my affiliate, my username into this funnel. So what happens is we're leading our prospects in with a low ticket item, a low ticket product, which is Engagely, 27 bucks, okay? So once they get in there, they pay that, and then they can see all the other income streams built in. But a step-by-step process on how to set all this up. There's a video for everything. So it's real simple and easy, plug and play type of situation. There's training with this. It's a copy and paste system, just like it says. So real easy. You're going to be paid directly via PayPal with this. Okay, so when you get this, when you purchase the $27 and then someone purchases it from you, you'll be paid instantly via your PayPal. Okay, so in a nutshell, we're using this done for you system, this done for you funnel called the Residual Income Code to market the easy one-up business. Okay, that's really what it's all about, but it happens to encompass 5 other income streams with it. So it's a good way to market one system for 6 different income streams. Okay, so all you got to do is push traffic to this one system and let the system do all the selling and telling. I love automation. I'm not saying it's 100% automation. What I'm saying is my system is going to do all the selling and telling for me, so I don't have to keep repeating the same thing over and over all day long to explain to people what this is all about. So if they go into the system in the funnel, it will explain it to them for me. And then from there, if they have any questions, they can give me a call. So that's really what it is in a nutshell. So use the residual income code to market easy one-up and 5 other income streams that's built into it. So that keeps it simple for everybody. Okay. It includes traffic, so you'll know where to get your traffic from, because that's one of the biggest things. People don't know where to get leads from. They run out of, friends and family. So I'm big on actually targeted marketing. I like to, market to the people that's interested in what I have to offer, and so that we have traffic built in there for you. So not only are you going to get the traffic sources, but you're going to get paid when people purchase the traffic. Okay, so that just makes sense. So all your income streams are built into one system. All right, so click the link below. Go ahead and get residual income 27 plus 10 one time. That's it. And then plug into the other income streams, guys, and market this one system to make anywhere from $27 to $1,000. All right, and everything. And once you go through the funnel, if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I'll be happy to answer those questions for you. But make sure you subscribe and you click that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. All right, guys. You guys have a blessed day, and we will see you on the inside.